Oh my god, that ticket! Where'd he come from?
Hey, how about you this one? Good to go.
Left side, left side.
Hang in there. There's only
Out of ammo.
last one.
Man, I'm surprised I got second place. I didn't think I'd do good that round. I am so serious with that. Alright.
Why you repaired?
Dang, I meant to save the money, not buy anything else. Crap baskets. Okay, someone else got to buy stuff, because I can't buy nothing.
Decoy repaired.
That's actually talking for stuff. Alright, I have to save money, so you guys gonna be on your own for a while.
Spots are up. Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Oh, no problem. I'm just saying, that first boss wave was just hectic. So much was just going on. I has found his. On the side door. I'm going. What you doing? Get back. No solicitors. Come on, baby. What's your body? Yeah, face off. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, somebody needs a hug. With a chainsaw. Get hugged by a chainsaw.
Neil. Oh, yeah.
Good. Ah, more ammo. Alright, don't even matter. Let's go.
Come on, bend over.
Reloading. Was it Lambert? Oh, what? My assist. Oh, shoot. And that's it.
5 left.
Ah, chainsaw! Two left. Sorry, one left. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Actually, oh, we lost. Oh, we wait. Hold on. I apologize, but we lost a player. When did this happen? Chainsaw kills and retro lets a kid. I can point retro for you right quick. I'll point out retro for you right quick.
Why you repaired?
Okay. Oh no, I'm good. I just try to get some chainsaw kills. Try to give me some money. All right, let's do this.
Here they come!
Think you missed. Try again. Try again. I got you. One. Whoop. Watch out. Where are you? Now you want to hide. Come here, you little monster. Tell him the truth. Ah, chainsaw. I'm coming for you, baby. Don't run for this. You want to set fate. Take it. Hey, bro. Ah, chainsaw. Almost left, people. Yeah. Let's go. Good work. He has me in. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was gonna fail at that. Pretty honest, guys. Hey, retreat! Save him so you can magic lead. drudge. Ain't no drudge. He dead. Alright, back. Oh, back. Get it. No. Live. You won't die. Eat it. Ah!
Same team. I'll take that.
Good job. We came, we saw, we conquered. We gonna get them.
Time to build.
That would be great. If we all could get from. Ooh, hello. You know what? You make a good point there. I will take the motion. Okay, I won't take the motion. Wait. Now you gonna put it down? You are confusing me, sir. You are confusing me. You had it, you drop it, now you just lost again. You are confusing me. I just want you to know that. Confusing me, man. Whoa, look out. No way. Oh, I goof. I so goof. Oh my god. Man down. Man up. My sis. Taking that one shot. I got one for you. Right. I point out for you. Woo! Correction. I will try to point out for you because they're trying to kill me. One, the little magnum, both sides. They coming in! Ooh, I'm alive! My sis.
Enemy spotted.
No juice. Watch out. Good job. Captain Twinkles, good job. We'll say sir, but my friend might get the name wrong, so please.
Time to fortify
Captain
our
Twinkles, good
position.
job. That's what I'm saying. Alright, let's... Good thing ain't that much to repair, so... Alright, so...
Command center's online.
Okay.
Command center upgraded.
Command center upgraded. I don't care if anybody uses it. I'll get assist from it. That's the only thing I care for.
Good repair.
Okay, let's do this. The wave 15. I don't know why Kyra thought we was on wave 12 or something. Don't ask me why. I just thought that. Ooh. No boom for you. You panic. You panic. Oh, holy panic. Don't get this man. Nope, don't you do it. I'm gonna try. See, I panic used it. Run, Stallion, run. Y'all good over there? Oh, God, former. What it did.
Enemy spotted.
Come to this boom shot party. Crab bastards are missed. Oh, fire! Snake. How are you doing? Ammo. Good job, my sis.
Only 2 left.
course it will be. Oh, crap. Oh, got the screen shaker.
Last one.
Good? Oh, yeah, we made it. Good job, team. They grew up so fast. Alright, place them suckers everywhere.
Dibs.
That's a nice shot. I don't need an action. Let's go this way. Reloading.
Got him.
Good. Okay, let's go on this side. Alright. Okay. For some reason I fear death right now. I know I fear something's about to go down, but I don't know what now. I just feel it. Crap, I forgot you can set 2 up.
Time's up. They're coming.
Ah! Dude. Just a Grenader Elite, where you want to call it. He's dead. The big one, I know. Whoa! Look out! 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 What's the Nash do? What's the Nash do? Got your back! Got your back! Let's go! I got your back. Don't worry, bro. I got you. I got you. All right, go ahead. Go. You good? You good? Got it.
Order strike, sure do.
And I only kill one itty bitty thing. That is such a waste of time. Ah, crap. He's mutating. Nah, that's ugly. Eve, give out you. Ooh. I need an ammo box. Kinda scarce. It's up. Whoa, look out! My assist. Boom shot like I think last time. Let's go. Hey, that boom shot. Thank you very much, sir. True has his boom once again.
Run, Frank.
Crap! Stop mutating.
5 left.
We'll go for that ammo box. I'm scared.
That's one glowing.
Oh, my assist again. I'm gonna go for that ammo box now.
Number 3.
Ah, get you! No.
Which one of you fixes next?
Boom shot, baby, to the face. Let's go. I'm watching that chest. Oh no, I was over here. That kills me a boom. True has spoken. I'll be taking that.
Time to fortify.
And I'll be taking that. Thank you. All right. So True good. Okay, is anybody good with anybody good with sniping?
Fire him there.
Cause I am not good with headshots. Crap. I can't even build that like I want to. Well, I don't think we're gonna get this bonus. We get it. Hey, that's good. If we don't, I don't know what to say. Oh no, still kill. Kill these suckers. We just headshot. Pretty little head. Come on. Ah, you made a move. Nope. Ain't getting that one. I'm sorry, it wasn't working like I planned. Yes! Very good, make you proud. Good job. That's the achievement all its own. That's the achievement all its own. There, oh God! Crap. My plan didn't work. Whoa, 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 hold on, guy. I got you. Get up.
Dig in, baby. Going into overtime.
Oh, I actually got him. Oh. Stop moving. 1 second. 1 second. Just stop moving.
I blew your mind.
Oh my. That's like a hat trick. There's a hack trick right there. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Fire! Destroy!
Wait, what's destroyed?
Hey, I can't shoot through you.
Oh, I got you, Ken. No, I got you. Mine says. Crap. What the heck shot me? I'm coming! No, get off him! Woo! Hold on! Oh, we did it! Oh man! I did not think again. Another plan that ain't never work. Good job, team. Oh my God! He's
Go tell your mama.
that was good though. That was good. This thing like shifts to the right just like by inches, and I was trying to get the hit.
Time to fortify.
Fire repair.
Boom shot. Right here. Alright, I got a point out for you, buddy. There you go. Alright. Alright, time to repair. It's time to repair this. Time to repair this everything.
Oh, not good. Take some ammo.
We do not question that. We just go with the flow.
We've got enemies incoming.
Alright, time to go. What the heck? I'm about to say, where they at? Got them all. And the grinder. It wasn't a headshot, but it counts for something. Good shot, Stallion. Man, Captain Winkle, man, you going there doing your thing, you know what I'm saying? Rambo. Whole train got you back. Crap, a long ammo. Alright, bump this. Boom shot! Boy, and they coming out for the party. Catherine, don't do it! Wait. Thank you, sir. Ammo, gotta get some ammo. Tell them the truth. Yee, I'm gone. Yee, he go down. My sis. Woo. What else from outside is going out using that boom shot? You sucking shit. Yeah, what guy? Man, my screen is shaking like crazy. What's going on? Oh, my sis. What is going on? Watch out!
You might have a few bullets here.
Oh, look out! Wait, give me your boom shot then. Where's your boom shot? I will hold it. Ah! One left. Take the trash though. Transform now. Reload. Yes, it is.
Time to fortify.
Yep. All right. Ooh, I got some here. Hit the fragile on the enemy side and grab his ink. Where the ink at? There's the ink. Get some ammo right quick. Cause another boss wave.
Sentry's out!
Oh no, it's not. No, it's not. I'm tripping. I am so tripping. Wow. Okay. Yep. I'm trying to say this for the rainy day, man. We're running. Thank you for the assist. Thank you about you. Oh no! I'll go up again! Go down right now! Whoa! It destroyed my baby! Whoa, man! Oh! What just happened? What just happened? We lost Captain Pringles! We just lost Captain! Oh my God! So much bloodshed! You dirty! You got it! No! No!
Destroyed!
Bro, you are all the way over there. How did that happen?
Oh, that's good!
Give me a second. Okay, I will make it. I will make it an attempt. Don't look back. Crap. Got some quick back. I will try to make it, but I'm busy shooting. Ah! We will not forget your sacrifice, sir. Oh my dear God, they're coming out. They coming deep.
Hey, can't you try it?
And he got a boom shot. I need that. Good God, it's just havoc over here, man. Whoop. Nope, I'm gone.
4 left!
4 left.
Only 2 left!
That boomerang. Point that boomerang out. I'm coming. Where are you hit? Oh, okay. What? Just okay. I'll take that. You done us proud, sir. Thank you for picking up a good fight. Now we're at the boss wave.
Time to build.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, we all make mistakes. Right here.
I'm out!
I kind of took it, and I apologize. So, I don't know, y'all. All right, everybody set up, because this about to be the. I thought it was gonna be the one of the most hardest one we ever did.
Repaired.
Crap! Ain't gonna make it. Oh crap! I ain't make it.
We got enemies in.
Oh my God! Oh my God! No! Lamping Berserker. All right, put my baby in here because I don't want to lose it. I'm gonna touch the lancer. Somebody shoot it! You destroyed win right now. Because we got every... I like that idea. I like that idea a lot. No, they killing everything. What's that weapon? He's not going towards us. Wherever it is. Give it a juice. Sprinkles, be careful. Gotta give it all we got. Don't stop till you get enough. Got them all. Ain't go upstairs yet. We're good. We're good. Let's come upstairs and we make a run for it. Oh, what the fuck was that? Come on, get up, get up, get up, get up. I don't know. I'm talking about what hit me. Okay, we're still good. We're still good for the man. Crap, she's coming. Nobody make a sign, man. Yes. Come here, you see her run. Run for your life. Okay, she's going back in the hall. That's good. Oh, God, run for your life. What you doing? Oh, no. Oh, no. Please don't kill me. Real chest. Keep the juice. Look up out there, close the chest on him. Oh, okay, everybody go now. Everybody go now. Crap. Run. Go, 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 go. Go. Run away. Crap, we got a man down. I'm coming for you, brother. Never mind! Run away! My sister. Okay. Oh no! No, 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 no! Crap! Ah, they got you, Tao! This me and Captain Twinkles. Twinkles, I believe in our ability to win. Oh,
Down to 3.
Sir, I will read your message in 1 second. I'm trying to live. Oh, he's finished. Ooh, go. I don't think I'm safe where I'm at right now. Whoa! Don't think I'm safe. I'm gone. Great escape! Try to save your money, just in case. Nah. Hold on, Twinkles, give me a second. I gotta get some ammo. Yeah. Ah, it burns.
Only 2 left.
Safety's off.
Okay, let's go. Go to work. Time to go to work. Gotta get this guy the juice. Look out! Run, Captain, run! You say Marlon? This thing is blown over here, man. All that hard work we did and it's gone. I mean, really, all that hard work. Bye, sis. Alright, where them scorches at? Boys. Oh, we got man. That captain, I'm coming. Hold on. I want you to live, man. Want you to live. He's going back to him. Hey, stupid. Come here. Stupid. Ah, crap. He's gonna get him. Ah, I'm trying, Captain. I'm sorry. Okay, so now just you and me here. I believe in our ability. Go and find me a scorcher. Alright, time to roast him. Keep running. Here, come. Okay, one of us grab a scorcher, one of us shoot him.
Let's do this.
Okay, I'll burn him. You shoot him. this. I mean, you're not. Oh, okay, I'm going. Why are you after me? No. Your chest. Come on, open the chest. Come on, turn around. Run low ammo. Oh, go. I need another scorcher. I have no ammo. Oh, that's not it. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Keep running, keep running, keep running. Ah, scorcher. Seriously, what have I done to you? You man, bitch. Just want to point out that you missed. Oh no, no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me. I'm gone. Oh no. I'm out of here. Y'all going back. Never mind, I ain't gonna make it right that way. The fumes is in the way. Okay, here I come. Come back. Got I suck. That's why I don't use the retro. I think that'd be a bad attempt to do that. Okay, this is a bad time to lag. Ah! Feel chest. Come around! Okay, you guys go. Okay, I'm going to shoot the crap out of this thing. You burn this thing so it's open his chest. You are too close for cover. I'm gone! He's not jumping at me! Ooh, get out of the way! Okay, this little pistol ain't helping me. Shotgun. Give me the shotgun! Alright, it's gonna work. Run! This is not the best time to scrap the half-back. Open it. Let's go! Oh my god! I don't want that close. Crap. Oh my god. Oh my god.